Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Telegram and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. If you find the update, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.